Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Dota 2 on your computer. To do this, first you have to open your Steam, then go to the store page, which is right over here, and then on the search bar, press Dota 2, like so. Click on the first option. As you can see, Dota 2 is a free game. So all you have to do is click on play now and then install. Now it's starting download right here. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Cease. Happy gaming!